have a 2007 Suzuki heavy-duty dump truck. This one is a 5-speed, 4-wheel drive with high and low range. It's been lifted, new front springs, heavy 8-ply all-terrain tires and black wheels. Dump box has a roll-on bed liner. To protect the bed. Heavy-duty front to protect the rear of the cab. The sides also fold down on this model, so gives you easier access for loading and unloading if you're not wanting to use the dump box. Here's the interior in this 2008 Suzuki heavy-duty dump. Only 26,300 miles. This one has 4-wheel drive, high and low range, 5-speed manual, heat and air conditioning. Very clean interior. It's a very nice work truck.